The first thing you want to do when you open a drawing is to turn the background off. This helps make clean selections, which in turn speeds up your takeoff. If the background does not turn off using this button, you can define the background and choose what you need to turn off. Next, you need to create your symbol descriptions. Simply press Create and enter the name needed. You can then press Enter or click away from the box. Campfire will automatically choose the symbol color for you. However, if you wish to change this, you can do this here. You can either choose a specific color or randomize the color picker. Once you have created the description, you can make your selection. Once I click the Select button, my mouse cursor changes to a crosshair. This means I am in selection mode and cannot move around the drawing. If I click it again, I am in navigation mode and can move around the drawing. Now I can select Type A. All you need to do is left click and drag a box over the symbol. As you can see here, just by circling one of the symbols, Campfire has automatically looked through the drawing as well as other drawings within this discipline and has counted each instance of this symbol. You can see here that it has counted 125 Type A's on this drawing alone, just in a second or two, whereas counting each of these manually will have likely taken hours. Sometimes there are symbols that are too close together to make a clean selection. However, it is quick and easy to edit any elements out that you do not want. For example, if I select this emergency fitting, I have accidentally included part of the switch. To edit this out, you open the edit window. There are two ways of editing a symbol. First, you can left click on the white area and hold the left button down as you drag over the elements that you do not wish to include. Once you save the edit, those elements will be taken out. The second way is to deselect all. Now you can left click on the elements that you want to include in this symbol. Again, once you press Save Edit, you are left with a clean selection and more matches. To make it easier to see what is left on your drawing, you can use the Toggle All tool. This turns off all of the symbols that have previously been selected, giving you an efficient way of checking your drawings as you work on them. As you work through your takeoff, you may have a large list of symbols. You can use the Grouping tool to make it easier to organize. You can create these before the symbol descriptions or after and drag and drop the descriptions into the groups.